Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning KPI tracking, dashboards and performance reports. Module, monitoring, evaluation and strategic communication. Class goal. Master the art of tracking what truly matters by setting smart KPIs, building live dashboards, and reporting in ways that drive confidence and decision-making across stakeholders. Why KPI tracking matters in project management. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. Peter Drucker. KPIs are the pulse points of your project. They help monitor real-time performance, signal early warnings, improve accountability, justify decisions to stakeholders. Defining KPIs by project type. Software/tech projects. Sprint velocity. Feature completion rate. Bug fix turnaround time. User acceptance test, UAT, success percent. B. Marketing projects. Campaign reach versus target. Conversion rate. Cost per lead/acquisition. Social/engagement metrics. C. Events and physical projects. Vendor SLA adherence. Budget burn rate. Task completion percent versus timeline. On-site incident reports. Smart KPI tips. KPI attribute. Description. Specific. Clearly defined output or result. Measurable. Quantifiable with clear units. Achievable. Realistic for timeline and team. Relevant. Directly tied to project goals. Time-bound. Linked to a time frame or checkpoint. Reporting tools and dashboard systems. Google Looker Studio, formerly Data Studio. Easy data linking with Google Sheets, ads, analytics. Good for marketing/SEO/reporting dashboards. Free and fully online. Template provided, KPI tracker for service projects. B. Microsoft Power BI. Strong for large data modeling. Real-time sync with Excel, databases, and APIs. Suitable for enterprise-level, multi-project dashboards. C. Excel or Google Sheets dashboards. Ideal for quick builds or budget-conscious teams. Use conditional formatting, pivot tables, charts. Can embed into other tools or send via email. Bonus tool tips. Notion widgets for light dashboards. Airtable interfaces for visual tracking with built-in project workflows. ClickUp dashboards for task-related KPI visuals. Presenting to stakeholders, the executive view. The executive summary slide. A one-slide format for C-suite or sponsors. Includes overall project health, RAG status, red, amber, green. Key deliverables and percent complete. Budget update. Next risks/opportunities. Current sprint milestones or blockers. Template provided, executive summary slide, PowerPoint plus Google Slides. Assignment, build a KPI reporting dashboard. Scenario. You're managing a client rebranding project. They want weekly updates on performance. Visibility into design approvals, client feedback, team workload. An overview slide for their board meetings. Your deliverables. KPI sheet, define 5 core KPIs. Live dashboard, use Google Looker Studio, Power BI, or Google Sheets. Slide summary, executive summary slide for leadership. Optional add-on. Use dummy data from a past project or public dataset to demonstrate functionality.